Lutayan Lake is a scenic body of water located in Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. It's known for its serene beauty and is a popular spot for local tourism and fishing.
O, diba? Oh my God. Naka-sunscreen. O, diba? Oh my God. Naka-sunscreen. For the my data.
Pwede mo ka today, Fred?
Yeah.
Ako man.
Ako man. Sige ah.
Before practice. Required may lagawan before